G'day everyone, welcome to Dave's Driven. It's Christmas, it's a Christmas special, and what does everyone like about Christmas? Lights. No, not, well, yes, twinkly lights, presents. Lights and presents. Present that is some lights. Yes, that is what I like about Christmas. Opening one ahead of time shouldn't be too bad, right? What's this one? You wanna find out? Ready? That's right, baby. The Z's about to get a little dapper. Oh, hello. Thanks for joining me. Not you. Yes, you. Here I have the 7 series headlights from Dapper lighting. These things, let's take a look at them, shall we? First of all, package. Tells you everything we need to know about these bad boys. Those who know Dapper, we got housing color, chrome, bing. Options, HDR, mwah. Halo color, switchback, and OE, original equipment. That refers to the lens, but we'll get to that. Okay, diving straight into this bad boy. We get all the usuals in here. Warranty card, I guess. Ooh, bubble wrap, because it is Christmas. Wiring. Seems pretty kinda easy, but with my track record, I'm sure I can mess it up. Invoice, thanks for your business. Thanks for making these. Ooh, catalog. Yeah. Although really, I mean, I've got what I wanted, but poster. Kind of Datsun. Here they are. Ooh. Have a look at those. Crikey. Now I have seen these before, so my reaction isn't like my first one, but every time I see these things, flip out. They look amazing. Alright, so the side of the box there, let's go through that again. Housing colour, as you can see, chrome. I wanted to keep with the classic look. Didn't want them to stick out too much. The options, my wife insisted on the HDR halo. I mean, you know, what a lucky guy I am, because I was like, I don't think I need or want them. She's like, get them. I'm like, okay. And the lens. So they're still, oh man, so good. So the lens, we've gone for the OEM look lens that I think is really going to help keep that kind of classic, stock, yet heavily modded look that I'm going after. Oh. Wow. Alright, let's take one of these bad boys out. See what we got in here. So first look, they look very well built. Not that I've had my hands on many aftermarket light systems, but what can I say? This one looks the goods. All the original style OEM mounting points, so I don't think I'm going to have a problem with that. Nice little mesh breather, no fog. Ooh, built-in fan. Damn. Anyway, you can imagine that spinning around. That's a nice touch. Expecting these other goodies that came with it. These are some cool bits that make it possible. OEM style. This is just gonna plug straight in. Just like that. This should be like the easiest install video I've ever done. And you've got your pin connectors here. Bada bing. Power control unit. Very nice. That's better. Back on the bench. Let's talk why. Why this brand, why I'm so excited about it. It's not just the round bits, it's all of these bits that make it just worthwhile. Let's take a closer look. Here's what makes it so magical. Reading straight from here, note your 7 feature our power control unit, which is an automated headlight control system. Dude, this thing plugs into where the headlights are meant to go. This plugs into the back of here. Bang. Done. A halo driver for our HD switchback on this thing. These combined with these are also plug and play. I couldn't mess this up if I tried. I'm not gonna try. Really don't want to mess this up. So, the headlights on the Z, how are they? Dull, can't see a thing? Nah, they're actually okay, to be honest. They're not modern standards. So when I go from my wife's Suzuki to this, I do notice it. This upgrade also does relate to that hit in the front passenger side I got all those years back. Had mismatched headlights. They're both the OEM style because I managed to find a headlight on the nature strip side of the road. Someone was just thrown out. I think it actually came from a Series 1 MX-5. I think they're NB. They got the round pop-ups. Anyway, the only problem with it is it did have some burn on the inside, so not as shiny bright as I would have wanted. Let's take a look at the OEMs. Okay, so I'm going to admit, this is really kind of obsolete for the daytime. Although, see, this one does have that kind of fogging on the inside I talked about, so this is the one I found on the side of the road, because this is the side that was hit, as you can tell from my busted indicator. What we really need, in order to see this properly, is a bit of night time. Let's do it. For the first time ever, no shadow of a lie, I started shooting this video, I got the Dapper lights in the back, and my high beams just start going off. No reason. It's never happened before to me, and it's like she knows another bit of originality, purity, is getting removed and is somehow fighting back. Everything else looking great. Clock, bolts, everything. Get to here. So we've got the high beam on. I'm gonna open this up and wrap around the stalk this side. You just saw that, yeah? Now I'll flick the high beams on. That's freaky. It's alright, girl. I know the headlights are like the car's eyes, right? So maybe it is its spirit fighting back. But giving you brighter eyes. This has got me freaking a little. This might turn into an episode of Ghost Hunters. Ghost Hunter Z. Nice. Listen to like AM radio. Like try and find some ghosts. Can you tell me your name? I'm here to help you. Is it okay that I change your eyes that are the window to the soul? Yes? Yes, I heard a yes. We'll play that back. That's a yes. Alright, jobs are good and let's do this. Now I suspect I'm gonna need Phillips head screwdriver, probably not much else to get this done. Yeah, second drawer. This ain't top drawer stuff. Now if you're new to the channel, go back and watch some of my old videos, you'll see me pulling things apart. I'm not going to show too much of the pulling apart and putting back together, unless it's relevant this time. Most people should know how to take a headlight out with a couple of screws, especially in our model 280ZF. There's plenty of room there. With all that said and done, let's get these in, because I can't wait to see it. Wow. I'm not going to do the other thing you want me to do. That's rude. Totally wrong way to do this, just in case anyone wants to know. Take it apart from the other side. You can see all where the backing here is burnt away. So he must be running, I don't know what he was running in there, he's cook it that much. There you go, one down. I really should have got new rings for this. Hey, crikey. Look at that, that's disgusting. I'm going to put these brand new headlights in and secure it with that. Wow. Sorry in advance, Dapper. You deserve better than this. Anyone else eager to find out just how plug and playable these are? So I've got the Dapper power control unit plugged into the back of this. So we got OEM loop. Connect the battery, start it up, hit the light. Fan's going as well. Nuts. Hashtag see the light. Yo. Wow. Okay. One side's in, and I gotta say, true to their word, that is plug and play. Plug and drive, man. If it wasn't for the HDR switchback, that'd be it. That's the end of the install. It's that easy. And I didn't mess it up. Bing, 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 bing. Boys, tickling. Let's talk the HDR switchback. How's that gonna run? I'll take the signal from my parkers, my running lights, and the indicator. Give it that. So, their box goes into the back of the 7 Series headlight. To this box controller, which is magic, we don't need to know what's inside of it. To these 4 wires here. I know what you're thinking, these are plug wires, like, especially the ones on this Datsun. Think about, I'll flash up an image. I'm not flashing up an image. The solution Dapper's come up with, give you these clips. These clips are rad. What you got here, clamp that goes over your existing wire, and when you do that, it provides you a little hole. But these things just go flump all the way over. You get it? Wire through here, this, plug into that. No soldering, no cutting. I'm impressed. Well done, Dapper. You You've done your homework. You've done your driveway work. Big ups. Because the opinion of some dude just like working on his Datsun in a carport in Australia, talking to virtually nobody on a GoPro, that's the accolade you were looking for. You've done it. Australian delivered 280s, had parkers or running lights, indicators right at the front here, so this is where we're going to jack into. HDR halos, 3 functions, white 50%, and amber switchback for the indicators. We're only going to run white 100 and the amber. We're not going to run the white 50%. In order to do this, we're going to jump around this side where we will see one of those weird connectors I talked about. So here you've got power for your daytime running, you've got the signal for your indicator, and you've also got ground. Pretty much everything we need right here. So this is what you end up with. You got your tabs floating off your wires, and you're able to just plug in like so, straight from what you got out of the box. So cool. So try to be smart in that. I brought out a multimeter. We figure out where these wires go, all of the cool sciencey stuff, so I don't look like a fool. Hooked the multimeter up, chucked the hazards on, and noticed something's blinking, and I don't have the OEM indicators in. So there you have it, folks. I hadn't intended on showing you that or seeing it even myself at this stage, but that's how easy it is to do. Even a fool like me can accidentally do it. Far out, that looks sick, lighting up that whole headlight bezel. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Looking absolutely gorgeous. I really wish I could show you what they look like in the nighttime. So here's night. Thanks again for watching, thanks for being part of it, and thanks for your support. I'm going to head out the nighttime sky. It's summer, so it gets dark at like 9 o'clock here, and test these out. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.